Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can be able to transfer money from your Opay account to another bank account. Transferring money to another bank account using your Opay mobile app is a straightforward process. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you send money from your Opay account to another bank account. It's very easy. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, do it to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our channel. So guys, let's get started. Now the first step you have to take is to open your Opay app. So let me tap on my Opay app to open it. You can see my Opay app is opening. So once your Opay app opens up, this what you have to do now is to log in. You have to input your password, your 5-digit password. So let me go ahead now to input it real quick. Then let me tap on login to log in into my Opay account. You can see it's loading up. Right there guys, you can see I've logged in now. You can see the size is sweet team switch. So let me do that later. Then the next step you have to take now in order to transfer money from your Opay account to another bank account is to tap on where you can see to bank. You can see it right there, to bank. So let me tap on it. Then what you have to do right here now is to input the recipient account number, the account number of the person that you want to send the money to. You can tap on where you can see recipient account number. They can go ahead now to type it in. Let me type it in. That's the account number I want to send the money to. You can see now I've inputted the account number. Now the next step now is to select the bank. You can see if you notice, immediately I inputted the account number, the name of the bank automatically appeared. You can see it right there, United Bank for Africa. So once you type the account number that want to receive the money, you will see that the name of the bank will automatically appear there. But in case it didn't appear there, you can tap on where you can see select bank to select the name of the bank. So let me tap on United Bank for Africa to select it as the bank. Let me tap on it real quick. That's how it works once you input it. And also, once you select the name of the bank, what you're going to notice is that the name of the person is going to appear there. The name of the person that owns the bank account that you want to send the money to will appear there. And as you can see there, you can see the name of the person right there. So after you're done with this, you tap on next. So let me go ahead now to tap on next. Right here guys is the next step. You can see what's written there, transfer to. So this is the details of the whole transaction that you want to carry out. You can see that's the name of the person that you want to send the money to, and that's the name of the bank of the person that you want to send the money to. Then that's the account number. So what you have to do is to kindly review these details before processing. You can see there where it is written, kindly review the details before processing. Please note that successful transfers cannot be reversed. So guys, take note of that. So once you're done checking all of this, what you can simply do is to tap on confirm. You can see where it is written confirm. So let me tap on it on the right hand side. You can see guys, it's loading. So guys, right here is the next step. It says transfer to bank account. You can see the name of the person right there, the account number and the name of the bank. So what you have to do here now is to input the amount that you want to send to the person. You can see where it is written amount. So what I will do now is to input it. You can see I've inputted 4,000 right there. So after you're done with that, the next step you have to take now is to input the remark. The remark is simply the purpose for actually making the transfer, or let's say the reason you're actually making the transfer. Let's say for instance you're paying for your rent. You can say you can input rent right there. Or let's say if you're paying for a provision that you bought, you can input provision. Or let's say you're paying for or let's say electric bill, we can input electric bill right there. But let me just simply input paid. So paid is going to be my remark. So let me go ahead now. What I will do right here now is to tap on confirm. You can see confirm down there. So let me tap on it. You can see it's loading up. Right here is the summary of the whole transaction. You can see the amount I want to send. You can see the name of the bank. You can see the account number. You can see the name of the recipient. You can see the amount, the transaction fee. The transaction fee is actually 0. You can see every other thing right there, the payment method, the available balance you're going to get after you send the money. So guys, you're going to see all of this. So what you simply have to do now in order to proceed with this money transfer is to tap on where you can see pay. So let me go ahead now to tap on pay. You can see it down there, so let me tap on it. Right here guys is the next step. You can see what's written there. It says you haven't set payment pin, please set it and try again. So guys, if you're using Opay for the first time, you'll be asked to set a payment pin. Payment pin is a unique secret code used to authenticate and authorize transactions on Opay, such as transfers, payments and withdrawals. It's typically a 4-digit number chosen by every user, adding an extra layer of security to protect their account and fund. So if you're actually using Opay for the first time, if you're actually doing transfer for the first time, you'll be asked to set a payment pin. Setting a payment pin on Opay is a crucial step in securing your account and ensuring safe transaction. So I'm just going to show you guys a step-by-step guide on how you can set your payment pin so that we can proceed with this tutorial tutorial. So let me tap on confirm in order to set my payment pin. Remember, this is the first time I'm using Opay for transaction, but if you're using it for the second time, you will not be asked to set a payment pin. By then you must have set your payment pin, and what you have to do is just to input it and your transaction will be successful. So let me set my pin real quick. Let me tap on confirm. You can see, guys, it's loading. You can see what's waiting here. They said verify login password. They said please enter your login password. So they want to be sure they are actually the owner of this account before you go ahead to set the payment pin. So what I'm going to do now is to enter my password, my login password. Let me do that real quick. You can see I've inputted the password and it's now verifying. Right here is the next step. It says set your 4-digit payment pin. The payment pin must contain numbers which cannot be repeated or consecutive. So you should not input passwords that are consecutive, that have consecutive numbers. For example, 2244. You can see 2 is repeated twice and is consecutive. Likewise, 4 is repeated twice and is consecutive. So take note of that. Let me just quickly give you examples of passwords that are not consecutive. For example, 1 2 3 4. You can see there are no consecutive numbers there. And let me give you another one, 4753. There are no consecutive number right there. And also you can use passwords like, you can use pin like 1231. You can see though 1 is appearing 2 times, but they are not consecutive. You get what I'm saying? You can see the 1, they are apart. 1 is at the beginning, then 1 is at the end. So that's what it means. So what I will do now is to go ahead now to set my payment pin. So let me input it. You can see where it is written set payment pin. The arrow is pointing at it. Let me input it real quick. Then let me go over to the next one, which is confirm payment pin. Let me confirm it by retyping it. Then you can see, guys, it says payment pin set up successfully. So guys, now I've been able now to successfully set up my payment pin. So what I'm going to do now is to tap on OK to continue with my transaction. So let me tap on OK real quick so that this video is not going to be too long. You can see now it has continued from where we stopped, which is enter payment pin. Remember, we are actually doing a transaction on how to transfer money from your Opay account to another account. So it's asking us now to enter the pin so we can continue with the transaction. So let me enter my payment pin right away. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. It is loading up, processing. Wow, guys, you can see transfer successful. You can see it right there. It has been ticked good. So guys, now this is how you can be able to transfer money from your Opay account to another account. This is how you can be able to use your Opay mobile app to transfer money to another account. So guys, I believe this video is helpful to you, and now you can see my balance has reduced. The money has been deducted from my account. You can see my balance has reduced. So guys, this is how you can do it. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.